Let's check out the coolest, extremely powerful turbo fan. By the way, if you are looking to get this fan, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can follow and get it for the cheapest price possible. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I paid actually only a bit under $10 for this whole kit, which is absolutely insane considering what kind of power we get. Also this price is with free shipping as well. Also if you check the description I'll maybe also manage to get some extra coupons that you can combine basically with that price and maybe even bring it down further for this price. Absolutely insane what we are getting. So let's check out everything we actually get inside the box. First we get our manual here and also a bunch of paperwork. Okay, and let's take it out. So it actually comes very decently protected here. Also removes this shipping protector over here. Okay, as you see the size definitely is extremely compact on this thing. And also inside the box we get two other attachments, so we can actually like direct the air basically how we want. And also like a Type-C charger, yeah, basically. So if you want to charge it, so you see you have basically the charger port on the bottom. If we check the quality, yeah, actually appears fairly decent over here. So we have the on-off button here, okay. Has a motor inside, so yeah, definitely. But when it comes to weight, maybe like 300 grams, something like that. So definitely it actually has got fairly decent battery inside. And to turn it on, there are two main ways. First, we can simply press and hold this, and after maybe like 2 seconds, it will turn on the maximum mode. And once we release, it stops. So for example, you see, I start to press and hold here. So you see, yeah. Yeah, it's absolutely insanely powerful actually. So maybe let's, yeah, okay, I'm making a mess here. So let me turn on the ultra wide, so you see basically, yeah, it's like, I mean the power is absolutely insane from this thing over here. So, and the second way how to turn on is you can also double press basically this button, and then you can actually switch between the different modes. So you see double press, okay, maybe a bit faster, okay, yep, see we have mode 1, and you can also switch like between the different strengths, obviously if you do not need the highest force. Also let's check out these attachments that also come with it. So you see they simply like snap on as they're magnetic, so you see they can't fall off. So again, you have very strong magnet simply. And then obviously if you use these, you can actually make the pressure even like more forced essentially, so in smaller area essentially. So again, if you need to do some heavy duty task, put on this smallest like nozzle, obviously it's like the area it covers will be less, but it'll be yeah, it will simply force more pressure basically on a single point essentially. But again, so if you want to use it as a duster, early so to clear like a lot of area basically at once, I suggest you to actually use it without these attachments. And when it comes to runtime, this also appears actually so far actually very decent. So today I charged it up fully. I have pretty much dusted all around my house, also cleaned out my PC. So it took literally maybe like half a minute to basically clean out basically the fans on my PC, the graphics card. So for this type of stuff, this is absolutely brilliant. So if we check the specs, so you can see for yourself. So you see we have the runtime in different modes. But so in the strongest, like maybe like 8 to 10 minutes they claim. So yeah, for most tasks I'm simply using the strongest mode. But again, so I did pretty much all I needed to do today on a single charge, and I still have basically left inside. When it comes to power, it claims 75 watts. That seems pretty accurate. So yeah, a bit over 200 grams. So yeah, when it comes to performance and what this thing can do, I actually was quite surprised by this little guy. And overall, is this mini fan actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, this particular model actually looks absolutely insanely powerful. So not only very good power, but also, yeah, decent battery inside as well that actually lasts for a very long time. And again, if you want to get it also for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links I'll leave in the description. Also, again, make sure to check out those extra coupons you can maybe combine with this price and maybe bring it even further. So for this price, yeah, looks cool as hell. Anyway, good luck.